Okay, we finished up the last video determining if we could simplify square root of 110. And you could check, well, we got the square root of 110 by multiplying square root of 10 and square root of 11, which both we couldn't simplify. Alright, and the square root of 11 is a prime number, and 10 is the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. Alright, so we have square root of 2, square root of 5, square root of 11 left over. Okay, and when we multiply all of them, there's nothing that comes out. So we can't simplify it. It's in simplest form. Okay. Two more slides here. Square root of 11 and the square root of 32. Alright, so square root of 11 over the square root of 32. Now, the square root of 32 we all know is 16 and 2, but I'm going to do something different this time. Okay, square root of 32 breaks up into square root of 4 and the square root of 8. Okay, just in case you know 16 and 2. Alright, well, we know the square root of 4 is just 2. And the square root of 8 is square root of 4 times the square root of 2 as well. Well, we know that 4 is 2. Okay, and the square root of 2 is in simplest form. So we have 2, 2, 2. So we have 2 times square root of 2, which is 4 square root of 2. This is kind of the long way to simplifying square root of 32. So we have 4 square root of 2 over square root of 11. Now we still cannot have a square root in the denominator, so what do? We multiply by that square root. We're going to multiply by the square root of 2. Okay, and we get the square root of 22 over 4 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Now remember, the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is just 2. So technically we have 4 times 2, which is 8. Alright, last one. Square root of 16 over the square root of 27. Okay, we know the square root of 16 is 4. Alright, and let's try to simplify the square root of 27. Do it off this side. Square root of 9 and the square root of 3. And that's going to be 3, so we have 3 square root of 3. Okay, multiply by the radical in the denominator to get rid of it. So we have 4 square root 3 and then 3 times 3, which is 4 square root 3 over 9. Alright, and we can't simplify that either.